welcome back to my all-time classic channel. Merry Christmas! So, Christmas is just around the corner. What could be more Christmassy than to have this all-time classic Gingerbread Man Cookies? They are soft in the center, crisp on the edges, full of flavors, and they just give you the taste of Christmas! And they're super fun to decorate. Plus, what could be more perfect than to have a cup of hot chocolate filled with marshmallows to go with this Christmas cookie? So, let's get started!
Right, for the dry ingredients, all you need is just some flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and all the spices. These spices are going to enhance the festive flavor even more. As for the wet ingredients, you need an egg, brown sugar, molasses, butter, and some vanilla extract. Next, combine all the dry ingredients in a clean bowl and mix well. Then, using an electrical mixer, start creaming your butter at medium-high speed for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add in your brown sugar and cream until the batter is light and fluffy. Then add in your vanilla extract and the egg. Continue beating until all ingredients are combined. Now, it's time for the molasses. Well, it can be a little messy, but trust me, the molasses plays a major role in bringing out the festive flavor even more. Once all the wet ingredients are well combined, you can stop the electrical mixer and start folding in your dry ingredients. Now, just remember, do not overmix them. You want to mix them until all the dry and wet ingredients are just combined. Otherwise, your gingerbread man cookie will be tough, and you wouldn't want people who ate the cookies to lose their teeth, right? Haha, just kidding. Once everything is combined, wrap the dough in a clean plastic wrap and place them in the freezer for about 20 to 30 minutes to harden up. These help to shape the cookie dough better. After 30 minutes, remove the dough from the freezer and divide the dough into half. Using a rolling pin, roll the dough out about half an inch thick. Then, use a Gingerbread Man cookie cutter to cut out a cookie and place them onto a lined pan. Pop them into the preheated oven and bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for about 8 to 10 minutes or until the surface turns golden brown. Oh, that's definitely the smell of Christmas! Now, leave them to cool while we start making the icing. All you need is some icing sugar, vanilla extract, water, and some food coloring if you want to add colors to your icing. Simply mix the icing sugar with vanilla extract and water until you get a pipable consistency. You can play with the icing by adding more or less icing sugar to get a thicker or thinner consistency. Transfer the icing into a piping bag and you're ready to pipe away. Here I'm going to use 3 colors, the green ones, the red ones, and the white ones. You can prepare as many colors as you like. I'm just doing a simple classic gingerbread man style. You can always come up with any ideas and go crazy about it. There's no certain right ways to decorate the gingerbread man. simple gingerbread man cookies, just perfect for the holiday season. You can even put them in a small fancy bag and send them as a gift to your friends and family. Merry Christmas, everybody! If you like my video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. And don't forget to eat your gingerbread man cookie with a cup of hot chocolate and marshmallows. Merry Christmas!